We are back at it again with another electric chainsaw. Now, if you watch my channel, you know that I love reviewing electric chainsaws. I think they're just the best thing in the world. But here's the thing. Wild Badger Power, and I love that name, Wild Badger. That is hilarious whenever I talk about this particular tool because I've reviewed them before, and the tool I reviewed before was the 40-volt 14-inch Wild Badger brushless, and it was amazing. Not even lying. It was phenomenal. So they reached back out. Now they have a 20-volt brushless 12-inch chainsaw. 20 volts again, so it's a little less power. It's top handle. We're going to be jumping into this, seeing how this works. And is it a nice little chainsaw to keep around that you are going to be able to rely on? Now, one thing about Wild Badger Power is that they use exclusively Organ bars. Now, that's a really good bar. It's one of the industry standard bars out there. Has all the amenities that you can think of, but without going in too deep into it, let's put it together. We're going to get out there. We're going to cut up some trees. Make the decision yourself based upon, I guess, my test. My name is Brent. This is Live Free and Tool Line. Let's get into it. It's a nice charger, comes right on, goes right there. Okay, so this is it. You can see what it looks like here. It actually looks very good. I do like this a lot. I have a brake bar right here. You see it's 102 dB whenever you're using it, and I think that is really important. Let's get this open. Chain is nice and oiled. You see the bar. Pretty good looking bar. This all looks good. This is steel. This all looks great. Tensioner. You have the sleeve there as well. Sandwich that all down, keep it tight. All right, guys, so I'm out here at nighttime. It's pretty late, and that's all right, because sometimes you got to get out here, you just got to get stuff done. Now, I'm at my wood pile. It's about 29 degrees. It's cold. It just started snowing, but the weather waits for no person. I just got some bar oil in here. We're going to start testing this out. Start putting it right here. This is a tree that I had to cut down. Let's see if we can get a good cut on it here. Not too bad. You can see right there, still a little bit of pruning here. Not too bad at all. All right, I'm gonna pull you in a little closer. Let's see how we can do cutting this a little bit bigger. This is like a It's a pretty big tree. It's about 8 inches. Super cold tree. That plays a lot of factors into this, but that's right. Let's go. All right, if you don't put pressure on it, you just let it cut itself. It does really well. That's what you're supposed to do with these. All right, let's do one more, see how this thing can do here. Listen to that motor kick up and down. Oh yeah, look at that. One more for good luck. Here we go. Oh yeah, that's awesome. All right, so check this out. This thing did amazing. This little Wild Badger 12-inch bar, 20 volts, brushless motor, only 100 dB. You can cut it at nighttime. You can cut it wherever you want to. Cut right through this. Now it's 29 degrees. This tree is frozen. It's super cold, and whenever it's super cold, makes it harder to cut. But I think that just goes to show how well this chainsaw did. If you all are interested in this, it's at a really good price. Check out the link below. I think it would serve you well to at least take a look at it. It's small, it's super light. This thing only weighs maybe like 4 or 5 pounds, something like that. But I gotta say, I really approve of it. This is a pruning dream, and it's cutting these big trees right here. I'm super impressed with how well it did, especially with cold outside. My name is Brent. This is Live Free and Tool On. Check out this Wild Badger power, and I hope to see you all in the next video. I am so cold, it's hard to talk. Take care. See you soon.